Okay, this is the third lesson for the letter P. We've already looked at about 6 words, so we are now going to look at 6 others. One of the things I want to understand is that, B has a lot of words, so we probably will be spending about 5 lessons on this before we move on to the C words. Okay, let's start out with the words that we're going to be looking at today. The first one is backwards. That word means backwards. Then we have bada, mean bother. We also have bad mind, meaning jealous or having grudge. Then we have bafan, meaning clumsy or awkward. Then we have bait, a person who talks trash and never delivers. And finally we have bakra, meaning an overseer, superior, from the slave return back raw, from being whipped by the slave master. Okay, let's get into it. The first word, back ways, meaning backwards. Here's an example of how it's used. Why are you walking back ways? What does this mean? It means, why are you walking backwards? Another way it's used. Everything you do backwards. This word is often used to address someone who never seems to be able to do anything right, or someone who always seems to be doing things opposite to how it really should be done. Or, as the first example implies, a person who is walking backwards instead of forwards. Okay, the next word, bother. Why you bother me for? What does this mean? Why are you bothering me? You know, this is used to address someone who may be bothering or annoying you about something. And this is a term that you often hear used on the island. You know, whenever someone bothers you, you just pull it out. And they know that they're supposed to back off. Okay, the other word is bad mind. It means jealous or having grudged. Here's another example of how this word is used. You're too bad mind, man. What does this mean? It means you're full of grudge or jealousy. It is often used to address anyone who hates to see other people excel, or enjoy it when they suffer. You know, so in a sense, it is a negative word. I mean, dealing with people who behave or exhibit these